Hey there everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to edit audio on CapCut PC. So let's get started. First of all, here you can see we have added a audio into our CapCut PC timeline, and now we will edit the audio. So to edit the audio, we need to select this audio, and then we will be shown as many options like this. In the basic section, we will see the volume. We can upscale or downscale the audio, but as you can see, we have the audio like this. All right, let's just hear the audio real quick to edit this. Hey there everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to put audio in CapCut PC. All right, as you can see, we have some parts which is silent in the beginning, so we will trim that by like this. All right, then we will add some effects like volume. We need to increase the volume, as you can see, until we got something like that, this type of orange line. Until we got the orange line, we will just increase the audio. All right, after that we need to normalize the loudness, as we got some loud things, so we will go with normalize loudness, and it will then normalize the loudness. Then if you have background noise in your audio, then you can use the reduce noise option, which will remove the background noise. But I think I don't have any kind of issue of background noises, so I don't use that. After that, in the voice changer option, you can change your voice like many things, but again, I don't have to worry about, because I don't want to change my voices. But if you want, you can go with this and play with the voice changer option if you want. Then also you can change the speed of your voice, and if you change the speed of the voice, then it will change the pitch also. So if we just, let's say I want 1.5x voice, so let's just sound it. Let's just hear it together. Hey there everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to put audio in. So in the speed section, you can just simply change the speed of the audio, but I think this section doesn't work pretty well. So that's how you can easily edit audio on CapCut PC. I hope this video helps you out. If yes, please like, comment, share, and never forget to subscribe. Have a great day.